Ya ke Shillong Engineering College la plim ta singi ha ba kan hun pli Banangkong kelas dang mentaus nem hi da ke jingdon je ke Engineering College hapo ke Jylla kan yarap sibu ni ke Samla ke Jylla ban omlek puli su syaba lai no tang ke jing puli engineer ke bempat don ha ke college ya ke college a plim tulang ba ke Jylla konrat ke sangma mentak singi ke lai poetry risau jalapsan ha maulai kenton masar ha ke jinalang sembut mitang ba person tensong menteri ke tenat puli putih ba la kemen remboi bat kiwei haba kren ha ke jing pli u konrat loong ba ke jing sedang slem ye ke college kamut bala syui syedin u loong bagi company nabal kira kloi ban bay pisah ha ke Jylla bolong bagi breu na ke company Nvidia na Amerika ke basina ke chip bat ke graphic processing unit kira wan jingo ya ke Shillong ban ya snok tilang berkesokar Shushu long berkesokar ke bay pisah ban aji hika nam tasan paungut ki Samla ha ke artificial intelligence computer ban engineering ha kajuk ka pulom tang ba ong ba ke bentak ke ba ajong ke Shillong IT Park on pleno au no pra mtau snem ha ke ba kumbalai lai hajar ngut ki Samla kin yo kam bat ke company na United Kingdom kelapun pau ke jing kloi jong ka ban wan sedang ni ke jing trai kam ha kanong ba Shillong ha ke kelas Banangkong jong hang ha ke ni ke Shillong Engineering College kin don san pengut ki Samla ban yo puli menta usnem
Many years from now and many decades from now, people will look back to this day when we started our first government engineering college. I thank God Almighty for this day, and more importantly for blessing us, blessing the children, the youth of the state with this wonderful college. And if you remember, banking was something that was a very big challenge in India. It still is, but it was much more. And hence, we could have started the process of starting to put up many bank branches throughout the country and doing and following what the West nations did and put up a lot of branches. But Government of India took a separate or a different step in the process. It realized that it would be very difficult to catch up with the world if we went and did exactly what they were doing, which is to put up brick and mortar banks and branches. And hence, Government of India went for a massive implementation of technology. We started ensuring that everybody had a bank account. The Jan Dhan Yojana started. We ensured that mobile connectivity would come easily to the people, and we would have 3G, 4G, 5G accessibility at the grassroots level. We ensured that a digitally linked identity card like Aadhaar would be there to link up the different individuals. And then the UPI platform was unleashed. And before you could see it or know it or feel it, we had 100 billion transactions in 1 year in 2023. And though we were not able to do what the Western nations did in terms of increasing the infrastructure in banking sector, by leapfrogging in the technology that was there, available, we managed to overtake many nations when it came to the banking and the financial sector. Why am I telling you this story? Is that in today's world, technology can do wonders. We may be starting off late in the education in terms of engineering college. We should have had it long time back. Maybe we are starting very late. But late does not mean, in today's world, and especially in technology, it does not mean that we will be left behind. Now, to migrate into the S/4HANA is a very, very complicated process. You need automated testing to be done. You need data mandation to be done. You need data integrity to be done. And many, many other things need to be done for this migration from the old version to the new version. So when you do that, these softwares of the ERP or the S/4HANA has to be tested. And for this, if you go through the normal process of testing, it could take about a year or 2 years for you to do that. The company called NVIDIA, I'm talking to youngsters out here. So the NVIDIA company has a concept called speed of light. I don't know how many of you know this. So NVIDIA believes that we should work at speed of light. What that means is that when you have a particular problem at hand, you take that problem out, and if that problem is going to take 10 months to solve, how can you solve it in 1 month so that you save the 9 months? And like that, they break down the larger problem into smaller problems, and then they reduce the time required to solve each problem so that the larger problem is solved in a much quicker manner. It's called speed of light. That's what the philosophy of NVIDIA is. Now, S/4HANA has to be tested, and NVIDIA plays a very important role in this, just to share that with you. Now, this is the part that I wanted to come to. So I hope you understood what I told you. This software needs to be tested and migrated. I want to share with you that the testing of this and the migration of this ERP from the old version to the new version is happening right here in Shillong. Right here in Shillong, it's being done. And this engineer who developed this software, which is one of a kind in the world, is a Khasi boy. Yes, we should give him a round of applause. Our own Meghalaya boy has developed this software that tests S/4HANA and allows the speed of light concept to be implemented, where the testing which would require 1 year or 1.5 years today is done in 2 months or 3 months time. And this is being done right here in the Software Technology Park in Shillong. The way technology today is, it depends on how you use that technology, when you use it, and how you can come in at the right time. Do you know this migration technology for the S/4HANA? Just for the part that this particular organization is doing it right here in Shillong, is a $10 billion market. $10 billion. Which means that if this organization can expand its manpower to about 300, 400, 500 people, we can employ large number of people, and at the same time we can ensure that we will be able to take this 10 billion, large share of this $10 billion market. Now I'm sharing this all with you is because just in the last 2 months, we did not talk too much in social media about it. I think as people will tell you, we like to act more than talk. We had 2 meetings with critical and important people from NVIDIA. As you know, NVIDIA is the most valued company in the world today, touching almost $3 billion. And I had a meeting with one of their directors from the US, and he came specifically because this testing is happening here in Shillong, and he came to see this. And NVIDIA is involved very heavily in this testing because AI is a large part of that. And after that, I had a meeting with the Asia Pacific head of NVIDIA to further look into how they can expand this process out here. Friends, this is all music to our ears, music to the ears of all the engineering students who are here, music to the youth of our state. We are trying to create the platform to be able to bring these opportunities out here. A lot of work is still left. But what I'm happy to tell you is this is the process with which we're moving forward. The opportunities are immense, and I really urge all of you, don't look at something in a linear manner, especially the youth. Just because this is how things are being done in the world today, doesn't mean it has to be the same thing that you follow. You have to think differently. We have to realize that for anything to materialize and to be implemented in the right way, you need the right ecosystem. So while we have this engineering college, we need partnership. Partnership of big IT tech companies. Today I'm happy to tell you, because of the IT park that we have, again, the big tech companies will come when IT parks are there. By December, we will be inaugurating the second phase of the IT park, which will have roughly 3,000 seats available. And already bookings for that in advance have started. In fact, one company said, we want to start before you inaugurate the building. Allow us to do the interior work. One company from UK has already come, and they want to put up a 50-seater center out here. That's going to come in. But we need partners. We need good tech partners from the world to come in. So like NVIDIA today, I'm hoping, we are investing a lot in them. We are hoping that that will become, they will become one of our key partners in the future. Just to share with again the youngsters, 3rd of December, again, Government of India is having 5 AI conferences in the country, artificial intelligence conferences, national conference. And one of them, after obviously a lot of lobbying and a lot of pulling a lot of strings, I'm happy to tell you that for the entire eastern region, the AI National Conference is going to be held right here in Shillong. And this will be on the 3rd of December or 4th of December. I can't remember the exact date. But that is something that I would want our children to please participate. This is a national conference on artificial intelligence, and Government of India has selected Shillong as the host city for the entire eastern region. And therefore, this will be a great opportunity, especially for our young IT professionals and IT tech people to really explore the opportunities and to see what's happening in quantum computing and artificial intelligence and other areas.